can't do it. I can't do it. Make you do it. 1, 2, 3. Hi, welcome to my channel. Petro.Trisha, otherwise known as Trisha. Haven't been feeling too well this weekend. Even Diana's ill. I just went out and got Diana some stuff. So yeah, please like, subscribe, share. Thank you for all who've already subscribed. This is just going to be a quick video to show some things that I've made to help with my cold, flu, virus, whatever it is that I'm coming down with. Stay tuned, watch, don't laugh at me. Thank you, thanks for watching, bye. So, not feeling well from Saturday. I had a sore throat. This is a bit of aloe vera, 2 cloves of garlic, onion, the insides of a lemon, and some ginger. And there's my honey. And I had some of this Sunday morning, and trust me, my throat doesn't hurt anymore. I can still feel something is fighting with me a little bit, but I feel so much better. Saturday I felt so bad. So I'm now going to blend this up and drink it, and it tastes really bad. But I'm gonna add the honey and see. When I did it on Sunday morning, I think I added water, but I'm gonna see, maybe I don't add any water to this one. So let's get the honey in. Planting burn a bun up. See there. Alright. Alright, the honey was stuck to the top because that's the bottom, of course, when it's the other way around. So I might need to add a little bit of water if there isn't enough juice, but just going to try that for a little bit and see if I need to pour some water. I like it to be more of a paste than liquid and runny, because then it's more like medicine. You see that aloe vera, that simple Bible? Wow. Alright, let's see. Gonna stir that a little bit to catch the honey at the bottom. Without honey in this, I wouldn't be able to drink it, but I'm telling you, I sometimes doubt these things, but it worked. Let's blend again. No water, just lemon juice, garlic, and lemon juice, garlic, onion, ginger, aloe vera, medicine. Did some on Saturday, Sunday morning. I'm doing some more now to help fight the whatever this is that is up on me. I wish Diana would eat it. I just gave her some lemon. Did you have your lemon, Diana? Diana, did you have the lemon and honey? Did you try it?
I'm gonna try it now.
Try it.
On the vlog?
Yeah, on the video, quickly.
I'm scared.
It's not, it's nice. Just lemon and honey, it's like medicine.
That actually tastes really good.
Yeah, it's good for your throat. You can go and sit down with the cup.
Good.
Now, I'm going to have some of this on video. Before I have it. Just know that I absolutely despise anything like this that tastes bad. I'm only drinking it because we're always told how good it is for it to fight sickness and stuff. So yeah, I got my backup water, got my shot glass. Gonna back it. Watch. Yuck. Hey yeah. When I did it on Sunday, I could strain it off because it had water in it, and I just strained off the bits. I'm frying plantain as well here. And you know, oh, the minute you look away, they'll burn. There's one piece left. All right, 1, 2, 3. I can't do it. Make Yara do it. Make Yara do it. 1, 2, 3. I spat it out. That was too much. I did too much. Hold on. That was that was too much. That was gross. I'm gonna add a little water and strain it. It's too bitsy. Jeez. That's nasty. That aloe vera turn up in there. Oh, I spat out most of the first bit anyway. I'm gonna add a little bit of water and strain it. I can't check the bits. Okay, I've added water and I'm adding more honey because that's no, I can't have it at all. It's after sweet. It's after bitter, but after be mostly sweet. And I just spat out that. Hold on. But I want to have it because it really did help me. But I can't, man. I can't swallow it. So I need it. Okay, here it goes. This will be much easier to drink because it has more honey. And I'm going to strain it off. That should be easier to drink now. Look. Aloe vera, garlic, onion, ginger, lemon, and honey. I think that's it. It's just gonna squeeze out back all the impurities if I overdo that. Don't know if I can call them impurities because they're probably quite pure, isn't it? They're not bad, I don't think. But Lord, if I had like phlegm, yeah man, that would have definitely let me bring up some phlegm. Alright, let's get my shot glass. I don't know if I'm putting this bit on camera again. Jeez, that was embarrassing. Not bad, but I'm not backing. I can sip. I can sip. Let's drink slowly. I think the aloe vera is bigger than yesterday. Whew. Okay. I think I'm getting used to it. The more I have it, I'm getting used to it. Yeah, it's getting easier to drink. It's getting easier. Getting easier. Still tastes bad, but getting easier. I'm gonna eat a piece of plantain for down it to stomach it a bit better. That's it. Enough.